Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to bring the video of how to make the subtitle for free. Once you did the video, the video what you are speaking, the subtitle will be according to the subtitle will be displayed. Okay, so how to do it for free? You have to do the software which name is CapCut. Okay, you can upload the you can use this software via downloading or via web. So I'm going to using via web. So what you're going to go to the Google search or type CapCut, press enter key. So this is the official website of CapCut. You click on that, it goes to that project, goes to that home page. Okay, so I already log in that account. The first time it asks to create account, you can create the account via your Gmail ID. Okay, so you don't no need to create the account. So it has the button which is a Google. You just click on that button. What is the Gmail ID you are login? That Gmail ID it has been logged to the CapCut as well. So I have login my CapCut via my Gmail account. So here this is the user. This is the page, your welcome page. Here there are a lot of templates are there. Here you can use it your digital marketing project as well. Here these are the templates. When you are going to promote your new product, you just upload that your image over here and you can get this image and you can boost it via the FB post. It's very simple. So now what I'm going, my one is a subtitle, generate the subtitle. So you click on that new project. So I am going to go to, you can get the size, which size you need. So this size, which mean by the desktop size, YouTube and Facebook, you can use this one. You can click on that. Okay, so that here I want to get the video. So I want to get the video from my documentation Camtasia Studio project, but one of my projects I am going to get it that project. So here this one. Okay, so I just drag and drop on that project. So it is going to upload that project. Okay, so that project I am going to show that project. Okay, so this project I am going to go to do the subtitle. Okay, so that is this project is so lengthy, so I'm going to this one. Okay, so let's Angular. So how much the duration? Okay, so I'm going to get this project. Just drag and drop it. It is uploading. You have to wait. The thing is uploading. It's uploading. You have to wait here. After complete the uploaded, the thing is wait here. It's wait. Here just drag and drop. Your file has been downloaded. Okay, here it is coming here. Now what you're going to do is still it will be uploading here. Here it's wait. Okay, after uploading only we can generate the subtitles. Because this is my video, so here this video I need to generate the subtitle of this video. It's very simple. Here you can see the simple subtitle. I want to generate the subtitle. Okay, first we have to do things. Okay. Now what you're going to do is here it's still uploading. It's the uploading is not complete yet. After uploading only I want to generate a subtitle. Let's check. Here there is a option called transcript. You click on that. Okay, here it asks you are going to create the subtitle on UK English or USA English. You have to elect at one of these options. So I want to elect it as UK English. So if you want US English also, you can select on it. So the track, you select this track. This is the track. Okay, it's already selected. Click on transcript. Okay, so here what you are going to do is here I can't transcript because my video is still uploading. After complete uploading only I can generate the transcript. You have to wait until the video uploading complete. Okay, this is a large file that it is uploading here. This is the video is 32-second lengthy, so I have to wait. Okay, now I am going to click in a transcript. Click transcript. Okay, now if you click on that, you can see that this entire video will be converted into the transcript. Okay, so wait until the process has been completed. So wait. Okay, so wait until the process has been completed. Now you can see here the subtitle has been generated. Here everything is generated. Now here you can, what you are going to say, after generated this one, here you can get. So you have to here generate by generate. It's still generating here. What you are here, everything. So here, so Canva here, everything is there. Here going to copy here and paste it, everything. So here what I'm going to see, you if you want to edit, you will be able to edit this one. So here we go above, click on it, play. Okay. Here, hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel here. Here that this TikTok channel which is generated, you have to maintain here as Tutors Funny. You have to this one. Okay, so it is writing. Okay, how things. Okay, so everything here before it will be generated, it is automatically generated the things. So it has some spelling mistakes. You have to remove, and you have, according to the spelling mistake, you have to remove and you can correct it over here. Okay, that's the thing, you have to do it, right? So here, right, so everything is there. Okay, so you can see everything is there. So what I'm going to see here is transcript. So here click on that double C button here. If you click on that, what happens is your transcript will be heading here, generating. Good way. Okay, very simple. Now it is generating. Now you can see the subtitle. So if you click on that here, so what you're going to do is you click on that text. I can't see because that text, the background is will be white, so that the text also the white, so that I couldn't see. So I want to change the text color. So here the text, here there are different text. Here double click on that. Here there are different effects are there. So I want to pick up one, this one. Yeah, click on that. It is here is changed. You can see. Okay, so it's simple. Okay, so here the subtitle has been generated successfully. Now what you're going to see here, this is my internet connection is a little bit slow. That's why it's coming like this. If it is speed, it is working online very easy. Okay. Okay, now now you can see the subtitle has been generated successfully. Here, everything, sir, what I am speaking, it is going. So what you are going to see here, if you have any problem with that, you can edit. Here is TikTok. This one we can use a Tutors Funny. So you will be able to edit this one. Okay, you double click on it. Here it's coming. Here you will be able to edit. Okay, so you can edit the things. That's the thing, you have to do it. Okay, so you have to edit the things. Okay, you have everything, you can do it. So yeah, I'm going to make this one as a Tutors Funny, not TikToks. Some other area you have to edit. So here this is a web page, so that it takes some time to get it. Okay, so that here you have to wait. So yes, my internet connection is slow, that's why some time to get it. The cursor will be point out the getting some time to point out. Tutors Funny. Okay, so yeah, now here, now you can see. Okay, you have to first, you have to wait, we have to and you have to watch at the end of the video.
So you have to observe whether the your voice and subtitle are both are matching. Okay, each and every sentence you must test it. Okay, uh, until complete the video. Okay, after you have satisfied everything, you can export the video. There is a button which called as export. You click on it and you can export your video to the computer. Okay, so click on that. Here, this is the export button. Click on and export the video. Thank you for watching.